Motion picture technology is a new advancement for classroom success, and teachers have taken action to introduce this new way of learning. This new style of teaching allows students to be more expressive and interactive. With this expressiveness are also different learning styles that also arise with this new form of technology. Students learn while they interact, but also use the different types of software and hardware that accompany motion picture technology. With motion picture technology, there are rules and regulations that classrooms must follow in order to ensure copyright laws are being followed. Not only do they have to follow copyright laws, but ethical and social laws to ensure the best outcome for all students. Motion picture technology was created many years ago, but the software, hardware, benefits for teaching, legal and ethical and social issues with the security concerns have transformed this type of technology to where it is today and how it is being used. Motion picture technology is being used in many different ways and is very common. However, it would not be where it is today without the advancements of it throughout time. This type of technology was created in 1895 in order to show motion pictures. Motion pictures became very prominent and many people started using it very often. Since it was used very often, the technology cannot be that difficult to understand. Using motion picture technology, people need a motion picture camera and projector with other technologies. This simple technology makes it easier to create motion pictures because there is not much setup required in order to create them. However, just because it is much more simple to use, it is still very astounding to the brain. Motion pictures show that the human brain can perceive many things. According to Manville and Britannica, the brain can see 15 frames per second, which is why this technology is constantly being improved on. Edward Muybridge, one of the main people credited for the development towards motion picture technology. He used many cameras to help show motion pictures, which helped him publish these forms. Without the help of Edward Muybridge, motion picture technology might not be as advanced as it is today. He took standard tools and made something much bigger that is very common in today's society. Motion picture technology was created to make motion pictures and to show the outstanding factors of the human brain while using technology in a new form. With the creation of the new form of technology, there are many types of software and hardware also invented to keep advancing this type of technology. A way motion picture technology is collected is through scanning, which is part of the software. Scanning converts the images into video signals. This process is a way to help transform these pictures, which allows us to go through many steps to make sure this happens. Some steps are the film being exposed to a light source while the scanner being controlled by a PC. The devices used for this are telekine. The way telekines work is how they allow motion pictures to turn into electronic signals. These signals are sent through the hardware, which show the motion pictures. The different types of hardware, expansion boxes, high-speed color cameras, connect cables, firewire, 30-foot cables, white fabric walls, fluorescent, high-frequency stages, etc. All of these things play a part in making motion picture technology work. The software and hardware together make open stage technology able to create images without any problems. Software and hardware have advanced the way students learn technology, especially in classrooms. Classrooms have become much more advanced over the years, especially when it comes to technology. Many classrooms do not even have live sessions anymore because of all their classes are online or through video conference with the teacher. With all the rising technology, motion picture technology has also made an appearance when it comes to teaching. This teaching style allows students to be interpretive, where they can create their own videos and express themselves in many different ways other than writing a paper or doing a project. This way allows them to be more interactive, but it allows them to know the critical parts that comprise motion picture technology. Two examples are biomechanics and ergonomics. These two different styles are what students learn while using motion picture technology. This type of technology is not only for expressiveness, but also for learning different things about technology. It also shows many different scientific aspects that could help students later in life. Technology is not only learning about the scientific aspects in classrooms, but also the legal issues that arise. When it comes to classroom, teachers have to follow specific rules and regulations when it comes to presenting technology. These rules and regulations are highlighted under the TEACH Act, which is short for Technology, Education, and Copyright Harmonization Act. Other than copyright laws, there are other ethical issues and social concerns that motion picture technology has to address. One specific issue is the use of motion picture technology in the means of lie detecting. There was a study done on students using motion picture technology at Cambridge University where they wore motion picture suits and were asked a series of questions. Just like an actual lie detector, the suits could tell when someone was lying because they were fidgeting. This new advancement for classrooms is a great way to institute a new teaching style, but not always having class inside of buildings. Students may feel more apt to participate if they are in more interactive environment. Motion picture technology gives students the opportunity to use different movements to create different motion pictures. This could give them different skills that would help them later on in the future. Even though there are many different types of social and ethical issues, motion picture technology is an advancement that would help improve many school learning systems and might make students want to learn more.